Hi, this is a product demo for Yapper. Yapper consists of two main components. There is the candidate or client app that the candidate must download on their computer. And then there is the interviewer dashboard where the interviewer can initiate an interview session, proctor an interview, all sorts of things. So let's start quickly with how the product works. Candidates can download the application by going to yapperapp.com and then just clicking the appropriate platform. For me, it's a Mac, so we'll just give it a second to download. All right, so once it's downloaded and installed, there are no other permissions that are required for Yapper to run on the candidate's computer. This is what the client app actually looks like. All right, so let's switch back to the interviewer dashboard. You can click login using your own credentials or sign up with Google. Since I'm already signed up, I'll use Google. All right, so once you're in, you'll see a list of previous interviews and a button to create a new interview. Let's click the button to initiate a new interview session. All right, you can see we have an active session now. Once you're in, you can copy the link and paste in whatever coding interview environment you're in. You can also share the code directly with the candidate himself. The user can then click the link provided. This validates the code and establishes a successful interview session. At this point, the interview must share the process information willingly. Once they hit the share button, you'll see a live view of all of the active processes on their computer. We also added logic to flag potentially malicious apps or known cheating apps. So for example, if you open up interview coder or Cluely, they should both pop up here. And this monitoring runs for the duration of the interview in the background so that it does not interfere with the interview. We also store no personally identifiable information about the candidate that you're interviewing, so there's no risk of a data leak. Also, we have some logic to catch apps that change their name and try to masquerade as something else. And that's it. And once you're done with the interview, you can hit end interview, and this will end the interview. Thanks.